So they have asked about the equivalent weight of the crystalline oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is C2O4H2, and crystalline is nothing but 2H2O. So for this, when we find the molecular formula, it will be 126, and equivalent weight is nothing but molecular mass divided by its valency. So here the valency will be 2 only. So this will give us 63. So option B is right for this. Yeah. So the question is, assuming fully decompose the volume of CO2 released at STP on heating this much gram of BaCO3. So atomic mass is given, right? So BaCO3 will decompose into BaO and CO2. So molecular weight of this is 197. So 197 corresponds to 22.4 liters, right? So 9.85 will contain how much? Like that, like we have to cross multiply, and then we'll get 1.12 liters. So option D is right for this. So this is the question, like the number of molecule at NTP, that is nothing but normal temperature and pressure in 1 ml of ideal gas will be. Ideal gas is nothing but PV equals to nRT. Right. So here instead of taking in liters, we have taken as 22400 ml. At normal temperature, it will contain like Avogadro's number of molecules. So 1 ml will contain how much? Like we'll just divide each other. Like 1 ml is nothing but multiply by 1. That gives us like this value. So when we'll round off, this will give us around 2.69. So option B is right for this. So the question is, the number of moles of oxygen in 1 liter of air contain 21% of oxygen by volume in standard conditions is, like, but you have to provide the standard conditions. So 1 liter of air will contain 21%, which is nothing but 210 cc, like cubic centimeter of oxygen, right? So that will instead of taking in liters, we will take it in cc only, like standard also. So this will contain like 1 mole only. So this will contain how much? Like cross multiply only. This will give us 0.0093. So moles, right? So option D is right for this question. So total number of the proton we have to find out in 10 gram of calcium carbonate, right? So this is the solution for this. Like 100 gram of calcium carbonate contains this much. Like standard, we have taken this much molecules. So 10 gram will contain how much? Like that is nothing but like 1 power less. So one molecule of CaCO3 contains 50 protons. That is standard. So this much molecule will contain how much? Like multiply it also, and you will get the answer itself. So option C is right for this question.